Hey guys, welcome to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom lower third for your YouTube videos. So if you're new here, subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed, and I will reply to all your comments. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need a background. So we're going to use this image as our background. Now let's double click on it and click on fit to crop to fit, just to make sure we don't have blank space on our screen. So the next thing we need to do is to drag down and a title, a text. Double click on it, then click on advanced, and let's delete all the text. Okay, let's keep this. Then let's bring in an image. I'm going to use this. It could be your logo, channel logo. Now adjust it, minimize it. Remember, we're making a lower third, so just adjust it. Then let's add this stroke, and the next thing we need to do is to add some text. So when we're done with that, let's add some text. Click on that T icon and let's type. You can type your channel name here. I'm going to type mine just for the purpose of this tutorial. Now adjust it, align it. Let's make sure it's aligned. Then when we're done with this, we need to add a box to it. So click on that box. Now we don't need the text, so uncheck the text, and also we don't need the shape field too, so uncheck that. And now all we need is the bottom. Let's make it bolder. Now drag it down and adjust to make sure the text is in the middle. Now just take your time and adjust it well, okay? So when we're done with that, we need to add the animation.